Good morning all. My name is Taruna Mande, a student of second year from ZIL Institute of Management and Computer Application, Pune. Today, I and my friend Trupti and Vaishnavi, along with Dr. Manisha Khadkar ma'am, visit to Mauli Mess, Pune to understand the unorganized sector, business dynamic. We all do get theoretical knowledge in our classroom, but our institute mainly focuses on giving practical knowledge to their students. Business sector majorly divided into three categories: primary, secondary and tertiary, based on employment condition, and further classified and organized and unorganized sector. Unorganized sector is not corporate with the government, and thus no rules are required to be followed. So we are focusing on unorganized sector. Thus business have selected is mess center.
Mauli Mess located near the ZIL College, Nare, Pune. Due to this college, students and travelers etc. are customer of the mess center. I understand that the location of business is most important to set a business and attract the customer. Location of business should be easily accessible to all the customer while setting up new business. First of all, we have choose location first. For experiential learning, let's go to Mauli Mess at Nare.
If you want to start a food business and become a food business operator in India, you are going to need two things: a business infrastructure and food safety and security license. Any type of business does not survive without a proper and legal registration business infrastructure. A business infrastructure situated for starting a professional mess, sole proprietor, partnership firm, private limited company. These are different methods of registration. Establish any of the mentioned business infrastructure and then to take the next step. Food Safety and Security Authority of India. It is a body responsible to overseeing the quality of produced, processed food of all across the nation. For food business operator, this license is mandatory. To get this license, you have to display it along with the name of your professional mess. And now you are ready to start food business. Infrastructure and license, these are two things required for organized structure, but most of the time it is observed that in unorganized structure it is not considered.
Timing of the mess in morning is 11 to 2 and in evening 7 to 10. Every day early morning they go purchasing the required raw material from the market yard Pune. At the time of purchasing they check the quality of products and doing lots of bargaining. Once purchasing is over, then come back and start preparation and cooking fast. Food which is required should be ready 11, and for the evening same they start preparation from 4. Here I observe and understand that time management and hard working is important to run the business. Perfect time management beat work overload, be more effective, achieve more. With effective time management, you can take control of your time and get on top of your to-do list. Get started by having a look at how good your time management skills are right now with our quiz. Then dive right into the core skill and time management, prioritization, scheduling and focus. Explore the historical theories and approaches to time management to understand what's right for you. We will help you to deal with some common time management challenges such as lateness, dead time and interpretation. Finally, inspire yourself by learning how to set goals and discover what it is that motivates you.
In Mauli Mess, there are 4 workers in the mess, including owner for cooking, serving and cleaning etc. The overall environment at mess is friendly and cooperative. The owner of the mess understands the strength and weakness of the employee and always motivate them. Here I observe and learn team management and leadership skill. Team management make you a great boss. Whether you are preparing For your first management role, you have been managing team for years. You can always learning something new. A good starting point is to find out how good your management skills are right now using our interactive quizzes. Then have a look at our resources to recruit the right team for your needs, to get the best from people despite complex group dynamics, and to stretch and reward them through delegation. Finally, we will help you to navigate the complexities of performance management and dealing with conflict. A leadership skill make you an exceptional leader, whether you are a leader of a company, a department, a team, and or just yourself. Having the skill to motivate, inspire, and move people to action is essential. You have got resources from experience learned and those just starting out. To get started, use our self-test to determine your strength as a leader and understand your motivational style. Then delve into the theories and style of leadership to discover what suit you, your team, and your organization best. You can then use our resources on emotional intelligence, crisis management, and contingency planning to really power up your leadership skills.
Mauli Mess provide different menu for different day like sweets, pav bhaji, special festival dishes, etc. I understand that to retain and attract the customer, selection of different food is important. At the time of providing variety foods, we need consider complex parameter like financial budget, satisfaction of customer, availability of raw material, competitor strength, etc.
Mauli Mess Center constantly provide tasty and quality food. They never compromises with the quality. Business play an accurate role to attract the customer. As a management student, I have seen that they give the time, utility for getting more profit. Also, give the good quality food and fulfill the customer demand to provide best service to customer.
The prices of all the dishes are very less compared to the competitors' prices in this area. For monthly meals, they give the concession in the total amount. From this, I understand marketing strategy. To attract the customer, we have to apply different pricing strategy. Many of the firms operating in this part of the economy make profit largely due to tax evasion and non-compliance with regulatory norms, which allows them to offer product comparatively lower price.
Economists say that the informal or unorganized sector account for nearly 50% of India's gross domestic product.